All right, guys, the condition we need to milk the market using this strategy are really simple. Really simple, guys. You just need to follow this video and ensure that you carefully follow the instructions I'll be sharing and milk the market, guys. If you sit down and work, you're going to probably just leave the market with up to $1,000 in a day, guys. It's very possible, right? There's nothing impossible in the market. You can make a lot of money just before you know it, guys. So how are we going to do that? I'm going to share every instruction that I follow to milk the markets using this strategy. I'm going to share it all in this video, so make sure you watch till the end. And guys, if you want to learn how to do this without these indicators, you want to know how to analyze the market using price action strategy, which is very common with every profitable trader out there, I'm doing a very massive discount on my mentorship program where I teach people how to do all of these things without the use of these indicators. You can actually analyze the market, whatever financial market you want to analyze, as far as it is accessible on the chart. You can analyze the market and come out with victorious entries and exits that will make you a superstar in less than no time, guys. So let's go down into the reason why we're making this video. I'm going to first of all share the indicator settings. It goes, we are going to be using the moving average, we're going to be using relative strength index, we're going to be using MACD. I like MACD too much, guys. MACD actually does a lot of good to me. So I'm going to be using a moving average on the indicator window, two moving averages on this strategy, one on the main window and one on the indicator window 1, combined with the relative strength index, MACD, and we're good. Now, what do we need for the indicator, the moving average on the main window? You're going to be needing period 26, shift 0 method exponential, apply to close, and that's it. You don't need to put any levels, right? You don't need to put any levels. So for visualization, you just need to leave it at all time frames, because you want to be seeing this on every time frame that you switch onto, right? You can choose whatever color that is visible on your charts. Make sure it is visible on your chart. Like my chart is white background, so I'm using black color. All right, if you're using black background, you can go for bright colors that will be visible. All right, click done when you're done with that, and you will have the moving average running across your main chart, just like that, just like what I have here, guys, just like what I have here. So the next one we'll be adding is the relative strength index with the following properties. Period 14, apply to close. Levels is needed here, so you're going to choose level 90 and level 20. All right, just add level 90 and level 20. And then for colors, you can use whatever color you see on your chart. I like to use black on here, so I'm using black. And 3 pixel is fine, so you click done when you're done with that. And for the styling on the main for the styling here, you want to make sure you follow the color on your chart. If your color is black, use black color. If your color is white, use white color. You don't want to see any of this on the charts, right? So you click done when you're done with that, and then you have your moving, your RSI level 90 and level 20 right there, just like that. I should have cleared all of this to start from afresh, so you can see it as I add it one after the other. But we're good with that. So we want to add the MACD, which is which has the following properties: fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 9. Apply to close. No levels are needed. Leave it at all time frames, and make sure you leave the default colors red and blue, right? Blue and red for men, and red for signal. All right, make sure you also use 3 pixels for each of those, and then you click done, and you have it appear on your charts. And then the next thing you want to be adding is the last moving average, which is just period 2, shift 0 method exponential, apply to precious indicators data. This time around, guys, you see a lot of options. You just choose precious indicators data. All right, color should be black if you're using the white background, and of course white if you're using the black background. So you click done when you're done with that, and you have it all set up. Right now, how does this work? We have the strategy, we have the setup done already. The indicator combinations are very effective, very powerful ones. I like to use this because it gives me really straight up confirmations. I like to actually use this to confirm what I've already analyzed on my TradingView app. All right, I like to use my computer to analyze with TradingView, and then I go on here to use these indicators to confirm what I've seen. And once they align, once what I see with my naked eyes aligns with what the indicator is saying, that means I'm good to go. This is like a go confirmation for me. This is like after every analysis is done, this is like me telling myself, yo, you are good to go now, let's go. All right, so for those of you who don't know how to use how to analyze the market without these indicators, how to trade the price action concept, I urge you to do so anyway, but then you can still be able to milk the market using this strategy. So how do we use this strategy? You first of all want to see that on your main chart. Now listen, you need to know the direction of the market. It's very important. You need to know the direction of the market. It's very, very important. So how do you know the direction of the market? You can ask my students to teach you. So this is it. You want to first of all go to a higher time frame, the 4 hours time frame, the daily time frame, whatever time frame that you are cool with. And on the higher time frame, you want to see that the market is pushing downwards. That means your moving average is above the candlesticks. The candlesticks is moving below your moving average, just like what you see on this time frame. If you see something like this, let's go to 4 hours time frame and find. Okay, this is a clear example. Yes, this is a clear example. Let's say price has crossed below your moving average and is now pushing downwards. Right, this is a clear downtrend. Some people might want to use the what is it called, trend line to actually point this out. So you can actually identify this using your trend line, right? Excuse me, let me just make that black. Good. So a lot of people would use trend lines to point out the direction of the market, while some of us will just get to understand it or recognize it or identify it soon as we see it, because we are used to it. I mean, we've been doing this for quite some time, so it's quite clear. Now you can see how that is. You can see how the market is moving at that level, right? You can see that it's more of the bearish momentum. You can see that price is pulling downwards much more than it's going upwards, right? So you've seen that the market is in a downtrend. You've also seen the candlesticks printing more of the bearish patterns, the bearish engulfing candlesticks, the whatever candlestick that you use to tell a downward movement. All right, that is clear. So you need to if you eventually see the closing of a 4-hour candlestick and is a bearish candlestick, that is even better, right? That is a very good confirmation, right? So you need to quickly switch back. I usually just like to go through every time frame respectively, from the 4 hours down to 1 minute, to see that it is more of the downward movement before I even decide that I want to be selling. Now mind you, this is for the bull market. You want to be selling the bull market to pick some candlesticks to scalp and just leave. In a couple of minutes you're already done milking the market and taking off your profit. You want to see that the market is in a downtrend just before you make an entry. Okay, now after having seen the market in a downtrend, the next thing you want to see is that price has crossed below your moving average on the main chart. All right, something like what we have here. You can see that price did cross around this level. All right, price did cross the moving average line on the main chart. And then you want to also see that on your indicator window, price, the two red line, the red and black lines here, your moving average line and your MACD, has converged around the level 90, and they are crossing each other and pointing downwards. They are crossing each other and they are pointing downwards, right? They are crossing each other and they are pointing downwards on your indicator window 1. All right, once you see that, and then you see the other condition on the main chart, and then that is a good one. That is the market telling you that we are ready to ride to the downside. So all you need to do is take an entry immediately after price crosses your moving average on the main chart and is going below it. So you can just give it one or two candlesticks, allow one or two candlesticks to close, and then you make an entry and take out up to 10 or 15 candlesticks depending on your lot size, depending on your equity. You can milk as much as possible. If you find this easy to grasp and easy to identify, all the conditions are easy to identify, you can sit down one place and do this again and again and milk as much money as you want out of the market. And also know that sometimes it might not be as good as you want it to be, right? Sometimes it might not work, but 80 to 90% of the time you're gonna make money, guys. So just sit down and do this again and again, and drop good reviews. For those of you who have been enjoying making money off all of these strategies that I've been posting, please do well to drop good reviews and smash the like button. Please make sure you do that so that we can keep moving forward. The channel can keep moving forward, so others who are longing to be here with us can see us and join us, guys. We need to keep growing together. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you do this. Also, my WhatsApp number will be on the description box of this video so that you can reach out if you have any challenges. You want to also be a part of the VIP team where we make money every day, trading 80 to 90% signals every blessed day. You can just reach out to me, and our free Telegram group link will be on the description box also. So just do well to reach out. Ensure to join that group, guys. We have over 1,500 plus people who are enjoying all of these things that we offer, guys. Make sure you are there. And then if you have challenges, you don't understand this, make sure you reach out. I will be able to explain to you on the chat. See you guys on the next video.